This free viral form can make you thousands of dollars with CPA marketing. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a viral form to promote CPA offers. And I'm going to show you step by step how you can set up that form, so even if you are absolute beginner and you've never done anything like this in your life, you will know how to do this. And good thing is, this form is free. And not just that, but I will also show you how you can push that form to go viral, how to get that initial traffic. So make sure to watch this video very carefully. So first I need to find CPA offers to promote. And for that I am going to use CPA Grip. And I'm here on my offers, as you can see, and I'm targeting United States. I'm searching for CPA offers in United States. And here are the available offers. So let's say I wish to promote this offer here, get a 1,000 PayPal gift card to spend. I can earn $2.57 for every email submit. And when I click here, I can get more information, and also I will get my CPA affiliate link. This is it. And all I have to do now is just copy this affiliate link. And now when I have my CPA offer and when I have my CPA affiliate link, now I need to create my viral form. Now, if you can make this form in Kartra or ClickFunnels, that would be best. But I'm guessing that most of you are beginners and you don't have money to invest. So I'm going to show you how you can make that form for free in System.io. Now, after you register for free, what you need to do, you need to click here on menu and then click here on funnels in order to create your new funnel. And then click here in upper right corner on create to create a new funnel. Now you need to give the name. So let's just say CPA for this purpose, and build an audience, okay? And US dollars, you don't really need to do anything here. And then click here on create to create your new funnel. And I will delete this thank you page because I don't need that now. And I already have a first step, so I need to create another step. So click here on create step, and I will choose one of these. Let's say, for example, this one here, select, give it a name, let's say step 2, type, choose the type, that is a squeeze page, click here on save, and that's it. I created another step. And I also need a third step, so I will click here on create another step, and I will give it a name, let's say third step, okay, step. And I will actually choose here, let me just scroll here to find it, squeeze page, not thank you page. I need a thank you page here. Click here on save, and that's it. I created 3 steps. And now I need to edit each of these steps. So click here on step 1, and then click here on edit in order to edit the first step. And I'm going to show you what exactly you need to do and what exactly you need to say. So you actually don't need anything that you see here. You can delete everything that you see here. Now to delete this, all you have to do is just click here on this trash can, click here on OK, and that's it. You will delete this. And like I said, you need to delete all of these because you don't need any of these. But for the purpose of this video, I will not do that because I don't want to use too much of your time. So what you need to do, you need to say something like this in your first step. I already prepared that, so I will just copy this. So this is actually Y, so I will just copy this, Control C, minimize this, and double click here. And I will say something like this. Complete the following 3 steps to enter the 1,000 giveaway, okay? Because they need to complete 3 steps. And I will going to copy step number 1, Control C, and I will change this text here, okay? Step number 1, confirm that you wish to participate in this giveaway, okay? And here I need to change this field here, okay? And I will delete this that says book a call, so I will just delete this, okay? And I will add these 2 columns, I will just drag it here, okay? Just like this. And I will say here, I will actually drag a text field here, and I will say something like this. Step 1 from 3, okay? Just minimize this, and I will change this. Step 1 from 3, and I will actually make this, so let me just double click, and I will make this larger like this, okay? And let me just go back here, and I need to find a button. So okay, this is the button, and I will just add a button and then click here, and where it says next step URL, okay, you need to choose here next step URL, okay, that is what you need to do. You need to choose next step URL, and I will also say something like this, next step, Control C, let me just, and I will scroll here where it says click here, I will change that to next step, okay, you see, next step. And let me just make font size a bit larger like this, okay, and I will delete this because I don't need that, okay. Pop-ups, you wish to delete pop-ups, just delete pop-up, and then just go back here, and this is the first step. So what I need to do, I need to click here on save changes and then click here on exit. So now I need to edit step number 2. So just click here on step 2, give it a second, and like I said, I have chosen this one. So let's just click here on select, and now just click here in order to edit this step. And like I said, you don't need any of this stuff. You need to remove all of these stuff. But for the purpose of this video, I will not do that. I will just delete this. Click here on delete. And also I will delete this button here. Click here, OK, to delete. And I will just come back here and I will copy this. OK, and I will paste that here. OK, and you are almost done. And I am going to copy step number 2, Control C, and I'm going to paste that here, okay? Step number 2, share this website on at least one of these following social media platforms. And now you need to actually scroll here on the left side, and you can, for example, drag a Twitter, just like this. And here you can see I added a Twitter button. And you can also add Facebook button, Pinterest button, Instagram button, and so on and so on. But for the purpose of this video, I will add only Twitter button. And again, I need to go back here and I need to drag these 2 columns, just like this. And first column, I will add, so let me just, I will add a text, okay? And I can say step 2 out of 3, okay? And I will just delete this. So let me just delete, okay? And I will increase font size just like this, okay? And that is it. And now I need to add a button here. So let me just scroll here to find the button. This is the button. And in the button, I can also say next step, Control C. And let me just click here on the button. And let me just scroll here. I will say next step. Scroll here, delete subtext, okay? And I will just increase font size just like this. And again, this is really important. You need to choose here next step URL. That is really, really important. You need to choose next step URL. And this is the second step. So what I need to do now is click here on save changes and then click here on exit. So now I need to edit step number 3, and that is the final step and most important step. So I will click here on third step, okay, and I will choose, let's say, this template here, for example. Give it a second, and now I will click here on edit to edit this final step. And again, you don't need any of this. You can delete all of this. Just click here on this trash can, click OK, and that's it. You will delete this. And also you can delete this, and you can delete this, and so on and so on. And now we need to add a third step. So let me just delete this, okay? And for that, we need to go back here and add a text, okay? Okay, so now I need to add my third step. This is the step. Copy this, and I will paste that here. Congratulations, this is the last step, and I will actually increase font size just like this, because this is the final step. And again, I need to add two columns, so I will just drag this here, okay? And in first column, I will add text, and again, let me just copy this. That is third step. So let me just paste it here, okay? Step 3 out of 3, and I will increase font size. So let me just click here, and font size I will increase like this, okay? And now I need to add a button, so let me just scroll here, and I will drag this button, and I will change this. Click here to enter, okay? Control C, and then click here on this button, and and here you need to choose. Now this is really important. Here you can see next step URL. Now in the final step you need to choose open URL. That is really important, because in the third step, final step, you wish to send them to your affiliate, to your CPA offer, okay? And and now we need to add our CPA affiliate link. So let me just Control C to copy my CPA affiliate link and paste it here. This is really important. And now I need to change this text here. So let me just scroll here, and I will say this, Control C, and I will say click here to enter. And I will actually increase font size a bit, just like this. And I will delete subtext. And that is it. This is the final step of this funnel. It is that simple. It is that easy. So all I have to do now is just click here on Save Changes, and that's it. I will save changes and click here on Exit, and that is it. I created this simple viral form. And when I go here and click on the first page, and then when I click here, I can actually see how my funnel looks. And this is the first step of my funnel. As you can see here, step 1 out of 3. And when people click here on next step, they will go on step number 2, as you can see here. And when they click here on the next step, after they share this on Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, or whatever, and they click here on the next step, they will go on third and final step. And when they click here to enter, they will be redirected to my CPA affiliate offer. This is how easy it is to create these viral funnels, and you can do this literally in 5 minutes. And like I said, it is viral because people need to share this funnel on their social media with their friends and family, and they will all see that. And if they wish to get this $1,000 gift card, they will need to share this as well. So now when we have this funnel, now we need to start promoting this funnel. You can promote this funnel on related Facebook groups, on Twitter, on Instagram, on related forums, and so on and so on. But this is what I do to drive that initial traffic to my funnel that gives by far best results. I actually use Pico Workers to promote my viral CPA funnel. You can register on Pico Workers for free. After you register, what you need to do, you need to switch here on employer, because you wish to pay people to promote your offers to their friends and family on Facebook, on Twitter, on Pinterest, on Instagram, and so on and so on. And so let me just go back here. What you need to do, you need to click here on post a job, because you wish to post a job. And here you can choose which countries you actually wish to target. Because I am promoting offer from United States, I wish to target United States and Western, okay? And I need to scroll here, click here on United States, and then click here, apply, and go to the next step. And here you can choose what you wish people to do. I wish people to share this on Facebook. So click here on Facebook, micro influencers. And then you can choose what exactly do you wish. I wish them to share this with their Facebook friends and family, and they must have more than 300 Facebook friends. Okay, click here, more than 300 Facebook friends. Click here, apply, and go to the next step. And here you need to add title to your job. So you wish to share them you can say something like share this on Facebook. And here you need to add step 1, step 2, step number 3. What exactly they need to do? They need to go on your funnel and they need to share that. That is the step number 1. And you will give them a link to your funnel. Step number 2, they need to share that funnel on their Facebook page, on their Twitter page, Instagram page, or whatever it is. You can delete steps, you can add steps if you wish. You can add some text here, you can add some notes, and here they need to provide value. So basically, they need to give you a link to their Facebook profile or Instagram profile, Twitter profile, or wherever they shared that, so you can verify that they really did share that with their Facebook friends, okay? And after that, you will just go back here, you will add some questions and answers if you want. If not, then click here on apply and go to the next step, and you will go to settings. And here you can see settings, here you can see speed 1000. That is the fastest way. You will get these shares literally in under 24 hours. And you will need 25 workers. You will actually need to share that with at least 1000 workers. And you will pay 18 cents for that. So basically, for $180, just $180, you will get 1000 shares of your viral funnel. And as we saw, those people must have more than 300 friends. So that is more than 300,000 people can potentially see your viral funnel. And it can easily happen that it will really go viral, and you will start getting signups, you will start getting email submits on your funnel, and you will start making lots and lots of money. Now, that usually doesn't happen. You will probably make about $300, $400, $500, and that is fine because you only paid $180 to Pico workers to get those 1000 shares, okay? And you will earn $300, $400, $500. So that is about $300, $400 of pure profit. So this is how you do CPA marketing as a beginner with viral funnels. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.